In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Acuity scheduling link to your Instagram profile. This is perfect if you want followers to book time with you directly from your profile. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is clear so you can follow along on your phone. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile. You can do that by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap Edit Profile. This is where you control what appears in your bio and your website link. Next, switch over to Acuity Scheduling. You can use the app or the mobile website, whatever you prefer. From your Acuity account, go to the Home area. You're looking for the section labeled Scheduling Page Link, sometimes called your Client Scheduling Page. This is the public link your clients will use to book with you. Tap to open it, then copy the full link. If you see options for multiple scheduling pages, choose the one you want people to use most often. Make sure the link includes HTTPS so it works correctly on Instagram. Now head back to Instagram. In the edit profile screen, you have two places where you can put this link. The first option is your bio. If you paste it into the bio, it will appear in your profile text. The second option is the website field. This is usually the best spot because Instagram treats the website field as a clickable link, making it easier for people to tap and book. If you prefer to keep your bio text clean, paste the link into the website field. If you need the link visible in your description for context, you can paste it into the bio instead. Either way works from your phone, so choose what fits your profile style. Once the link is pasted where you want it, finalize the change by selecting Submit. Depending on your device, this may appear as Submit, Done, or a checkmark at the top right. The key is to save your changes so the link goes live on your profile. That's all there is to it. You went to Instagram, opened your profile, tapped Edit Profile, grabbed your scheduling page link from Acuity's home section, copied it, returned to Instagram, pasted it into your bio or website field using your phone, and then submitted your changes. Now your audience has a clear, direct way to book with you right from your Instagram profile.